Welcome back. Multiple blasts occurred in a building, Swapna Arcade, opposite CM's residence at Madbhat in Madgaon. A major fire broke out in this building on Tuesday noon. A medicine godown owned by B.M. Prabhudesai caught fire due to a short circuit in the inverter. People were immediately evacuated from the building. 6 fire tenders and 4 tankers were engaged to extinguish the raging fire. Loss of 15 to 20 lakhs are estimated.
Swapna Arcade building opposite to Chief Minister's flat in Madbhat, Madgaon reported multiple blasts on Tuesday noon. The medicine godown owned by B.M. Prabhudesai and some shops were razed under heavy fire. Fire officer Prakash Parab narrated the extinguishing process. He said that traffic jam brought them late on the site.
तेन्ना आमी हांगा विदीन 2 मिनटां आमी पावले पूण पयली गाडी आमची 2 मिनटां पावली बाकीच्यो गाडी आमची 2 मिनटां पावूंक शकलो ना कित्याक बाकीच्यो सगळी ट्राफीक जॅम मागीर आमकां कितें जालें ही गाडी भरपाक धाडटलो जाल्यार सुद्दां भायर काडूंक मेळना पूण आमी कितें केलें जी गाडी येयल्या ताका रिले केली दुसरी गाडी लायली आनी आमी एक कुडचोरे मडगांवचे 2 कुडचोरची 1 वेर्णा पोंडा आनी वास्को ह्यो इतल्यो गाडयो घेवन आमी फायर फायटींग केलें जर आमकां ट्राफिकेन जर कोऑपरेट जाल्लें आनी आमी बेगीन पावले जाल्यार विदीन 1 hour आमी करतले आसले तें जालें कितें तें आमकां उदक कमी पडल्या कारणान आमकां तें टायमार करूंक मेळना कित्याक ताका 4य सायडीन जेन्ना उदक आमी मारता तेन्ना तो फायर कंट्रोल जाता नाल्यार एके सायडीन मारता ताचो फ्यूम आहा तो दुसरे सायडीक वता आनी ते सायडीन येता.
Disaster management did not reach the site till 3:30 p.m. It was a massive fire, but fortunately no one was seriously injured. A reporter from Madbhat, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Prathamik Shikshan Madhyam Kriti Samiti has petitioned government propagating mother tongue and Indian languages as medium of instruction in primary schools. Samiti members have alleged that parents are being misguided and brainwashed against Konkani as the medium of instruction. They have criticized the ministers who supported the mass agitation at Azad Maidan on Monday.
Prathamik Shikshan Madhyam Kriti Samiti members met the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Tuesday. Renowned educationist M.S. Kamath is the convener of the Samiti. Education Minister is supposed to take policy decision on language for primary education during this session. On Monday, Forum for Rights for Children's Education had supported primary education in English. Forum was supported by many MLAs and ministers. But Prathamik Shikshan Madhyam Kriti Samiti insists education in Indian languages.
आम्ही बी मातृभाषेंतल्यान शिक्षण चालू दवरपाक जाय ओरिजिनल भाशेंतल्यान प्रादेशीक भाशेंतल्यान आनी इंग्लीश मागीर आसा पळय आज मेरेन चलत आयलां तशें चलोवपाक जाय पूण सरकारान मातशें काळजीपुर्वक हाजेर विचार करून कितें डिसिजन घेवपाचें तें घेवपाक जाय.
पालकांची जी दिशाभूल चल्ल्या हांगासर आमच्या गोंयांत की इंग्लीश शिकल्यार भुरगो व्हड जाता मोठो जाता दाखोवचें ताणें हांव साश्टीन शिकयतालो जे साश्टींतले कांय जे लोक आयिल्ले ते सगळे साश्टींतले लोक आनी एकाच कम्युनिटीचे लोक आशिल्ले आनी दुर्दैवान हे लोक कम्युनल डिवायड करूंक सोदतात ह्या भाशा प्रश्नाचेर.
आनी काल जे थंय गर्दी केल्ले मोर्चाक लोकां बरोबर मुखारय बी जे आमचे कांय मंत्री बी गेल्ले पळय तांचें शिक्षण तपासून घेवपाची गरज आहा अशें म्हाका दिसता.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Institutions owned by Subhash Shirodkar and complaints against his family members were in the news on Tuesday in the Assembly. Shiroda MLA Mahadev Naik and opposition cornered Ravi Naik for waiving a loan amount of rupees 74 lakhs to Subhash Shirodkar owned institutes and then for not taking action on family members of GPCC president even after filing police complaints. Opposition says Goa State Cooperative Bank has waived these loans without following RBI and other guidelines.
OTSची कसलीय येवजण नासतना सेंट्रल रजिस्टर परमिशन ना RBIचे परमिशन नासतना रायेश्वर इन्स्टिट्यूट आणि होमिओपॅथिक मेडिकल कॉलेजाक हेजो चेअरमॅन सुभाष शिरोडकर न्ही म्हज्या आमिका प्रश्नान हो गरिबाचो पयसो जो आसा तो 7 कोटी उत्पन्न येवन सुद्धा ताका 74,47,000 रुपया माफ कशे केले.
जो तांकां जे दिला सोडल्याक पयशे ते फक्त कंपाऊंड जो इंट्रस्ट आसा ते तो अधिकार तेणी बोर्डाची मिटिंगान घेतलो आसा एज पर गायडलायन ऑफ रिजर्व बँक ऑफ इंडिया अशें ते म्हणटा.
इट इज एपेक्स बँक फॉर द गोवा. I am not bothered about his multi-state status. तुम्ही एपेक्स बँक म्हणून काढा नका आमकां काय हरकत ना मागीर जाय तें रोमट घाललें हाणें. अंडर power, pressure or influence, if someone gets an illegal set off, then it is duty of the government to ensure that the bank functions properly.
Mahadev Naik also raised issue of alleged rising gundagiri by Meghasham Shirodkar in Shiroda.
मारहाण करपी कोण जाल्यार मेघश्याम शिरोडकर हे थंय धुलीवंदन खेळटाले आनी धुलीवंदन खेळटा आसतना थंयच्यो ज्यो बायल मनशां आशिल्ल्यो त्या बायल मनशान तांकां सांगलें की आपल्या किडनी प्रॉब्लेम आसा, किडनीचें ऑपरेशन हें केल्लें आसा आनी आपल्याक तें हें बीन एलर्जी जातली म्हणून कलराची. दुसरे बायलेन ताका रिक्वेस्ट केली. हें कांय ना आयकता तेंचेर तेणें कलर मारलो आनी वयल्यान तेंचे गाडयेची मोडतोड केली आनी तांकां मारहाण केली. ह्या मेघश्याम शिरोडकराचेर डझनभर केसी आसात शिरोड्यान. भाव
4 persons along with others run away from the spot. One of the assailant was later identified as one Meghasham Shirodkar, region of Shiroda. In this connection, criminal case registered at Ponda police station.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, Aparna Gaunalkar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
18 passengers escaped with minor injuries and 2 got severely injured in a bus accident at Bogmalo on Tuesday. Passengers were later shifted to the Chikali hospital. They claimed that the driver was under the influence of alcohol.
Sources say the driver lost the control over the bus and the vehicle got skidded off. 18 passengers escaped with minor injuries, whereas 2 suffered from severe injuries. They were shifted to Chikali hospital.
Most of them are fine, suffering only minor injuries, except 2 or 3 people which I will have to take accidents.
Passengers claim that the driver was under the influence of alcohol.
डबल से ज़्यादा स्पीड दिखाया सर और ड्राइवर टाइट ज़्यादा गाड़ी ज़्यादा हलाया सर. कंट्रोल में नहीं है. गाड़ी कंट्रोल में नहीं सर. अच्छा वो लाइट कम को मारने से सब लोग मरने वाला था सर.
We spoke to the conductor of bus. He refused the passengers' claim.
40 मेरे ना हालो.
33 ची कॅपॅसिटी पण 40 असलेली.
40 मेरे असताना 40.
पण किती तू जेव्हा गाडी सकाळी चढला तेव्हा ड्रायव्हरचे कंडिशन किती असलेले?
बरे आले. बरे आले नॉर्मल.
पिल्ललो असं
ना माका दिसता म्हणजे आता तो असे हे झाल्या पाहिजे दिसता आबूज झाल्या पेशी पण पिला का ना तो आता मेडिकल केला त्याने.
Recently, 2 more accidents have occurred at the same spot. Locals are worried as this has become an accident-prone zone. We spoke to Dharmesh Angle, PI of Traffic Cell. He said precautionary measures are needed.
Every time an accident has taken place, I have asked for speed breakers on this stretch. And already the letter has gone to the DM. And actually I have asked for speed breakers on the side roads, not on the main road. That is the precautions we have taken over here.
A reporter from Bogmaro, Surendra Madkekar.
It's time now for another short break. News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.